Daphne runs a coffee shop and needs to decide whether she should hire more staff. Over a long period of time, the staff will collect data on the number of customers say, while queuing when a new customer enters the shop. The probability distribution of say is shown in the following table. Find the probability that there are more than one customer in the queue when a new customer arrives. Number of customers in the queue means this is a discrete distribution. So the probability of say greater than 1 equals probability of say greater than or equal to 2 equals 0.28 plus 0.17 then plus 0 equals 0.45. Find E of say. We are given this formula. So E of say equals 0 times 0.21 plus 1 times 0.34 plus 2 times 0.28 plus 3 times 0.17. Since this is a 0, you don't have to write down here, equals 1.41. The time in seconds t taken to serve a single customer can be modeled by the normal distribution t follows. Normal distribution with mean 110 and standard deviation 26. Daphne is told that an estimate for the expected time a customer will need to wait before being served can be found by calculating E of say times E of t. Find the value of E of say times E of t. E of say is 1.41. E of t is given here, 110, equals 155.1. Say, using the distribution of t given above, find the probability that it takes more than 3 minutes to serve a randomly selected customer. Since t follows normal distribution with a mean 110 and a standard deviation 26, we are looking for probability of t greater than 3 minutes, which means it's 180 seconds, equals. Let's go to normal CDF. Lower bound is 180. Upper bound is positive infinity. Mean is 110. Standard deviation 26. Enter, enter. Answer is 0.00355. Let's go to D. Find the probability it takes more than 5 minutes in total to serve 3 randomly selected customers. You may assume all serving times are independent of all other serving times. We will assume S equals T1 plus T2 plus T3. So, E of S equals 3 times 110 equals 330. Variance of S equals 3 times 26 squared. equals 2028. So as follows, normal distribution with the 330 as mean and 2028 as a variance. In other words, sigma equals square root 2028. We are looking for probability of S greater than 5 minutes equals 300 seconds. Let's go to normal CDF. Lower bound is 300, upper bound is infinity. Mean is 330. Standard deviation is square root 2028. Enter. Answer is 0.747.